What's up, baby?
Come on. Ven, mira, con el jockey. Mira, mira.
Nicky.
Woohoo! Go ahead, you do it. No, ven, siéntate. Ven, siéntate bien, siéntate bien. Ey, mírame, papá, mira. Mira.
Move here, baby.
Mira, look at daddy. Look at daddy. Come.
What's up, baby? Is that your motorcycle?
Espérate, papi, cuida al niño ahí. Hey, yo le dije que te
Agárrate duro, agárrate duro. Ey, eso. No, stand up. He wants to just stay right standing up. Ay, look who's coming.
Benji, was that your cousin?
Tarzán.
Mira el avión.
Mira la paloma, la paloma.
Hey.
Y esto está así. A ver qué son los niños.
Hey. Look at that. He's doing good. Agárrate aquí, agárrate aquí. Okay? All right. My back is killing you, bro. Hey. Agárrate. Hey, te va a caer.
Xavier, look at daddy. Look at daddy. Hey.
Shit, okay, he wants to do wheelies and stuff. He's like,
You gonna stand up, baby?
look at him. Ish. There you go. Ish. There we go.
Turn the other thing.
Come on, turn it this way. Voltea. Eso. Voltea. Like that.
Xavier, look at daddy.
Look at him standing up. He's crazy. You're a crazy maniac, you. Look at him. He just wants to ride standing up. Baby, you're crazy.
Baby, Xavier, look at daddy.
First time on this thing and he wants to ride standing up.
Xavier, look at daddy. Turn the wheel.
Turn it, voltea. Eso. Good.
Xavier. He's good. He's got his coat on.
His ears are cold.
He's just standing up. Baby, look at daddy. Xavier. Xavier. Xavier, look at daddy. He doesn't want to look at anything. Baby. Xavier.
Mira, papá, mira. Aprieta ahí, mira. Tú aprieta, ahí, aprieta.
Watch, hold him.
I'm holding. Aprieta.